Hey folks, it's Mr. Will with Loog Nation, where future guitarists start. And today we're working on Bad Moon Rising by Credence Clearwater Revival. This is a fantastic 70s rock band, and they have so many good songs that apply to the Loog and sound so good on guitar too. This song is a part of the D Chord series, and I thought it'd be perfect to teach you today because it works on moving in and out of the D chord. Hey, Beat. Yeah. It's such a fun song to play, and it's got catchy lyrics and really fun strumming. Uh-huh. That's right. 3 chords. There you go. 3 chords. You ready to get into it? Let's do it. All right, here's your chords for this song. D. Now, you all know D if you've been around Loog Nation, but if you haven't, let's get into this chord. It's tricky, but let's get into it. We have 3 fingers. Thanks, Beat. 3 fingers playing 3 different strings and 2 different frets. So I like to take these 2 fingers and wrap them around the outside of the strings first. So we've got the 3rd string and the 1st string on the 2nd fret. And then we're going to take this 3rd finger and reach over the top and get the 2nd string 3rd fret. And as always, I'm doing a sound check. Yeah, sound check. And that's plucking through each string, holding the chord to make sure it's ringing out clear and clean. D. The next chord is a G. So much easier. We have a G on 3, is how I like to put it. The 3rd finger on the 3rd fret of the 1st string. G. Another chord we're going to play is an A. An A is the middle 2 fingers, fingers 2 and 3, on strings 3 and 2. Yeah. Again, it's really important to put your thumb behind the Loog and push your wrist out, away from yourself. Clean sound check. A. So you know the chords to this song. Now let's get into the progression. Progression, the order of the chords. Nice. So we're going to play a D, an A, a G, and a D. And that goes round and round and round for this song. Da, 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 da. So what I was doing just then was the strumming and the progression at the same time. Let's break this down. We're playing a D, and we're going to play down, up, down. Thanks, Pete. Do you see? Down, down, up, down. So this is what's called a syncopated pattern. Syncopation. What I mean by syncopation is I'm going to skip a downbeat and play an upbeat. Down, down, miss, up, down. Yeah, fun, right? Down, down, miss, up, down. Down, down, miss, up, down. Let's do that one more time. Down, down, miss, up, down. Good, that's the D. Then we're going to play an A twice, a G twice, and then we're going to go back to the D. First time we play the D pattern once. Down, down, miss, up, down. A, G, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. If you don't want to play the syncopated pattern, there's an easier way to play this song. We can just do 8th notes. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. I'm moving quickly because the song moves fast. So here we go. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. That's an option for you if you don't want to do the syncopated pattern. I'm going to play the syncopated pattern for the rest of the lesson. And that's the verse. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. So we've done that progression a couple of times. And that gets us to the chorus. Chorus. Yeah, chorus. We're going to play a different progression or a different order. We're going to play G, D, A, G, D. Follow along with beat. We're going to play G, D, A, G, D. The strumming for the chorus is a little different than the verse. Let's play a G, 2 downbeats, and then down, up, down, up. And you're going to do that twice. Then we're going to do the same thing for the D. And then we have the A for 1 time, G 1 time, and then the D is the end of the chorus, returning to the verse, so we'll use the same strum as the verse. That's pretty fun. There's a lot of energy to this song. Let's go through the chorus again. G, D, A, G, D. Going back into the strum that we had for the verse. Hey, that's it. That's the song, the verse and the chorus. Simple, easy, energetic, fun to play, and also helps us get in and out of that D chord. Practicing our D chords with a song, which is so fun. And if you're having fun, please hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell. We're here every week on Thursday with a new lesson for you. If you have a song that you want to learn, yeah, Beat, I love learning what our community wants to play as well. Absolutely. Happy to put it in the queue for lessons. Beat wants to know what song you want to learn. Happy to have you here. Thank you. See you next time. Yep. We'll see you next time. Have fun.